Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib. And in today's technical session, we are going to learn about a talking gift, okay, talking box gift. Okay, see, I've got this gift, and if you open it, you can hear.
Hey Mariam, wish you many happy returns of the day.
So this is a talking gift over here. So you can record your voice and you can keep inside any box or any greeting card, and when you open it, automatically it will get activated and just it will turn on your
Hey
voice.
Mariam, wish you many happy returns of the day.
So let us see how we can DIY this talking gift at home. For this, what you require. So this kind of circuitry is easily available online over here. You have to buy this circuitry. Now let us see, I've got this circuitry. The link of this circuitry from where to buy I have given into the description. You can just click it, and as per your requirement, there are different types of this circuitry available. You can buy as per your own requirement. Okay, now in this circuitry we can see here there are 3 batteries at the bottom. Then you can see here you got a speaker, one recording IC over here, recording switch, one LDR which triggers the circuitry as you open it. Okay, when the light falls on it, it will start the voice which is recorded, and a mic to record over here. Okay, so you can play to record a voice in this. You have to just hold this button which is given over a press button. You have to press it, push it, and you have to record your voice. And once it get recorded, you have to just release the voice. Okay, the next, when you open the box, automatically it will play your recorded voice over here. Okay, and this is because of the LDR. So when the light rays falls on the LDR, it triggers and the recorded voice turns on. Okay, as on. So again, if you hide it, okay, so you can place this into any greeting card or something. Now see, for example, you can see here. Suppose this is a greeting card. I placed this here. Okay, so if I open this greeting card, so once you close the greeting card, again the voice will get paused and it will get reset. If you open the greeting card again, here. So let me show you the demo how it plays. So you got this kit circuitry which I've bought which I've got online. Yeah, but obvious, as I told you, the link is in the description. So first I'll remove this strip, okay, which will get activated the circuitry, and then I have to push this switch. Okay, so I'll just put it. Now I have released this. Now I have to hold this circuitry and I have to speak to record the voice. Okay. Hello friend, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib. Okay, and then you can release this switch.
Hello friend, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib. Okay, and then you can
again play it again and again. So when the light rays falls on the LDR, it will get activated again.
Hello friend, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib.
And again it will get paused. So
hello friend, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib. Okay,
so my dear friend, this festival you can just record your voice and you can give this your personalized recording message and a gift to your dear one. For a more technical session like this, please, my dear friends, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have got any questions regarding this, please don't forget to put your questions in the comment. I will try to answer each of you. Till the next video, please like, share, and subscribe.